Here's a simple step-by-step guide showing you how to share your Amazon Prime benefits with someone else. Start by opening your browser and going to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Prime account you want to share. In the top right corner, hover over Account and Lists and click Account. This will bring you to your main Amazon account settings page. Now scroll down until you see Shopping Programs and Rentals. Click on Amazon Household. This is the feature that allows you to share your Prime membership safely. To share your Prime benefits, click Add Adult. You can either enter their email address or invite someone through a link. Amazon Household allows you to share free Prime shipping, Prime Video, Prime Reading, Amazon Photos, optional. The person you invite will receive an email. They must open it, click the invite link, and sign into their Amazon account, or create a new one. Amazon may also ask both accounts to share payment methods, but you can remove that later if you prefer. After they accept, you'll see their profile inside your Amazon household. At any time, you can return to the same household page to remove the person, add another adult, add teens or children, manage which benefits each person gets. And that's it. Your Amazon Prime benefits are now shared with someone else using Amazon Household.